was,
one.
I think it was Machete. Machete and I were not added on Steam for forever.
That's funny.
So there was new DLC. We're playing a different mode called Simulacrum. It's wave-based, kind of like the Void. They added a lot to the game.
This one's easier to... I'd say this mode's a lot easier to comprehend and deal with than Classic.
Yeah.
If you're not used to the game,
More
it's a lot...
straightforward.
Exactly, yeah.
The scaling makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
You're not rushing against time.
Exactly. That's like the biggest hurdle to learn with Risk of Rain is the whole time thing. Because if you're not looting quickly and efficiently, then you just fall behind, and then it's not fun because you're always dead.
There is a mod, by the way, for that. Where if you, what is it? It's if you die, you can get revived, but it costs quite a bit. I didn't see how much it costs, but like it's natural cost.
I like that because that's probably my main gripe with Risk of Rain is that if I want to play it with a friend who's newer to the game, it's really difficult.
Yeah,
like it often will end up that like I've outscaled them, and then it reaches a point in the game when they're just dying.
Very hard.
Not necessarily.
We'll see. I don't think that that's totally the case. This mode keeps things a lot more even, I think.
But it, since you do get to choose out of three, it's like having a recycler. I feel like that's just like one of the gripes with the roguelike genre. Is that it takes a long time to learn.
Wait, what was the button to
Well,
open?
I think clouding for me with
I don't think you have enough money yet.
Oh, I'm
it's not
21.
necessarily-
I thought I had 25.
the learning curve. It's the when you have an experienced player playing with an inexperienced player on your screen. It seems like it probably just feels bad for the inexperienced player because they just end up spending a lot of time dead.
Yeah.
And not being able to do anything.
And then they leave a review.
Oh, it is. You're gonna want to pick that up.
Oh, that's an item.
It's a choice for you.
Wow, these guys hurt. Away from me.
Never stop moving.
Oh yeah, he's gonna He's getting hurry. Oh, there's Bell. There's Bell. Might actually be Bell here.
Oh, the thing I was trying to remember last night, but it's so Captain's just normal mouse 1 outscales Huntress's Flurry with max crit.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure he has one of the best basic attacks in the game, aside from Railgun, I guess.
Oh, the Railgunner's primary attack probably is.
Yeah, but like, let's be real, is that actually their primary attack? No, it's not.
I still really like Bandits.
It's cool. Also, a great thing about this mode is that when you die, you respawn on the next wave.
Yeah, okay, that.
Is that what
I just
did
died earlier, so.
Yeah, so
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh.
It's pretty
I had.
That hurts a lot. I was gonna go out there and I was like, you know what? Let's not do that. Let's not go out there.
So the damage increases the longer you're out there. So if you're ever out,
I was already taking more damage than I wanted to take.
It's percent health damage.
Yep.
So you're mitigating stuff won't actually help you.
Is it percent max or percent current? Probably max.
It might be current. No, it's max, yeah.
Yeah, because if it was current, if it was current, it'd be the opposite. You would die slower as you got lower.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, lost wave. Also, great thing about this is that you still get your item after dying,
Yeah.
which is really great.
It like popped up next to me, one shot me.
Yeah,
Just don't die as the round ends.
which I think that might actually be about it.
There's so many.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I'll go in there in the sun.
What's that?
Huh? Don't worry about
God damn it, well I'm dead.
Oh wait, no, I thought you just said that. That's your stupid.
it. Oh,
Well,
That was brutal.
that was very brutal. Let's
Yeah.
go again.
I just died instantly every time.
Oh yeah, it popped up next to me, and then I just died. Like, all right, let's go punch a guy. That's what I want to try. We're gonna punch things.
It's punchy gal.
Fuck it.
Loader.
It's a dumb move, but I'm gonna do it.
Mhm.
The railgunner? Are you getting
Yeah.
which scope are you using?
All normal, and then my special is the cryo. I don't really care for the special. I like that one.
It doesn't
Kill all my
stop you.
stuff.
Yeah, I think the cryo is a lot better in this
Oh,
one
man.
for sure.
Wishing I was captain. You see that?
What?
There's 4 items down there that I could.
Oh yeah. Imagine if you had the executive card.
Yeah. Wait, is the executive card in?
It's not.
Hopefully, at least with my person
Oh.
here, it should help.
Oh,
with,
there's your sim.
It's a lid.
it should help with the first few rounds.
Stop it. There we go. There we go.
Oh no, that was a mistake.
Oh god.
Did you fall off the edge?
I launched myself off the edge.
Hey,
Alright, we're
does
just
the shipment order, does that work with this one very well or not
yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Wow, I got a wave 2 and then immediately died. Well, that didn't go very well.
Rusted lockbox also works.
It does? Okay.
Yep. You just gotta keep your eyes open. But the shipment one's pretty easy because it has like effect around the air with fire. So it's easy.
I think the lockbox is pretty easy to see in here too, just because it's so.
It has that
contrast.
brightness.